How to withdraw Sweatcoin to Gcash. Open your Sweatcoin app on your phone. Look for your balance at top right corner of the screen. It'll show you how many Sweatcoins you gain. After you tap on them, you will see a different features. If you want, you can use your Sweatcoin to buy stuff directly from the shop of Sweatcoin app. But the catch is, currently right now you can't directly transfer Sweatcoin to Gcash. Instead, you can use your Sweatcoins inside the app to get things and sell those for real money. So keep an eye for those updates. Maybe soon enough they'll add a feature to transfer Sweatcoin to Gcash. So for now, make it a habit to check the app for any news or special deals about transferring Sweatcoin to Gcash. Some other ways: they did use the PayPal cause of special offers from Sweatcoin. It'll only work if they had a special offer for you to use your PayPal, but due to that you'll need to fill some information for it to work. And if you have both PayPal and Gcash, make sure that your Gcash is connected to your PayPal to potentially withdraw later on. And that's probably all of it. Just check for further updates in Sweatcoin. Thank you.